there from the budget committee in Kenya, and we came to do what we call the public participation here in Nyamira, and we have got 20 counties that are involved in this year's public participation. And one of the most important parts that we did is that we are trying to make sure that we don't do it within the centers, but in an area that all the people who are within Nyamira can come to. Previously, we used to go to the centers like maybe just Nyamira town and not to the villages or surrounding areas. This participation has been very, very successful. We are so happy because we have had so many different groups of the different four sub-counties. They all attended here, and it was well attended, and we had a very interactive session with all of them. Now, normally as in public participation, you know what they have come up with and the things we're going to try to see that we get for them to be done in the year 24-25 budget allocation. We will choose from some of the issues, the areas that they wanted, especially it seems like in Nyamira, there's a lot to do with roads that have not been done, and that the allocation also, they felt that Nyamira is not being given the correct amount of allocation that it's supposed to get. Maybe you want to hear a bit more from Honorable Masara, who we are together with in the Budget Committee.
Member of the Budget and Appropriation Committee. That question I can answer in direct that unlike before, nowadays, public participation is entrenched in the Constitution. What we are doing is not just a PR, but we are fulfilling the requirement of the Constitution. In the last year's budget, all the projects which were proposed from the public participation have been financed, I can assure you that. And even this year's, that's the first charge we do as the budget committee, because there's no need of spending public money going to 20 counties and then we don't implement. But apart from the project, the reality is we give the public an opportunity to interact and engage with the budget process. We have read for them the money which has been allocated, the main projects within Nyamira County, but as well, we have highlighted to them all the projects, all the sectors which are going to be funded by the national government. So apart from the project, they have got an opportunity to interact with the budget of the national government.
Okay, maybe one last question.
And then I want to say, as well, you can see all the MPs from Nyamira County were here. It gives them opportunity also to interact with the public on budget making process of the national government. Let me clarify. That is the work of the Finance Committee. We appropriate. The Finance Committee gives us money, we appropriate. So that's not our responsibility. But as a Kenyan, we can say that we cannot finance a budget without tax. Our only concern is let the tax be friendly to the public. That's my concern. We cannot finance a budget without money, but let the tax be friendly, and then let all that money which the public are paying be utilized prudently. Let them see what their tax is doing. Then when you ask them for more tax, they'll be very much willing to pay. Am I?
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you.
Budget. Thank you for including Nyamira County in the list of hearings, and thank you even more for including West Mogirango and Kibirigo as a venue for this budget-making process. I want to thank the members of public and media for turning up to voice our concerns, and it is projects like this which are spoken by our lips that get their place in the Appropriation Act before the National Treasury sources money to finance these projects. I'm so delighted that we have had the opportunity now to ring-fence some of the projects that previously would otherwise not have got their way to the Appropriation Act. May God bless Kenya. May God bless West Mogirango.